Hey guys, and welcome back to another Arabic lesson, Learning Arabic with Alfin. Now, today we're going to learn lesson 3, letters dal, zal, ra, za, sin, sheen. Now, here we have the word for today known as falama. Means then or what. You'll always have a word for today. Falama. And now let's get into the important part. Falama means then or. Now let's get on to the important part. Dal, zal, ra, za, sin, sheen itself. Now we're going first to dal. Dal, as you see, is called here. You see all these letters that's connected into one. You learned alif already. So alif, waw, dal, za, ra, za does not connect to the next letter. Like I showed you, there's a group of letters that does not connect. And this is the whole group. They do not connect. Example, ra, dal doesn't connect with ra. That is how it will work. Now, we'll go on that. Dal sounds like the. You have to touch your tongue on the other side of your teeth, not in the front side, the back side, on your upper teeth, and you say the. Now for dal, you would, instead of touching the back of your teeth, touch on the tip of your teeth on the upper side. That. Now the difference between these two is that this letter sounds like the, and this letter sounds like the. So if you add a haraka, it's da, the, zu, da, and these do like sa. Now we move on to ra. Ra is like this. Now, the reason why I put this line is because to show you where you go. Now, if you're writing on a line, and you would write a letter here. Let's say example, alif and ra. Ra, some words you have to write in the bottom. So ra we write in the bottom of the line of your notebook or something, and for alif we write on top. Now if there's no lines on the notebook, let's say here, right, we can write on top alif, and on the next line ra bottom. If you don't have a notebook, just plain paper, then it doesn't really matter. But ra has to be lower than alif and all the other upper letters. Okay, understand? Good. Now, ra and za, the one with the dot is completely different. It is not ra. No, that is from months. We see here, this is za. This is za. Another very fine mistake that we can usually do is that we can mistake this for ra and this for za. Same for dal too. Then if you do like that, the word is completely changed and you're giving the wrong meaning. If you write an Arabic word, like example, shahar, which we'll talk about. If you add a z, if you add za, and you think it's ra, then it will be shahaz. Completely different meaning. As you can see here, on bottom of the line. Ra and za. Now, ra and za is also does not connect to the preceding letter. As you can see here, these are the words that does not connect to the preceding letter. As we can see here. Now, we learn C. Sin is a connecting letter. Only this much does not connect, but these letters do connect. Now, sin first position. I forgot to tell you the positions, but here's the positions for each letter. Now we'll go to C. Sin here, as you can see, sin itself sounds like S, S. Here, seen is like a W with a tail. This middle position, see when there's a word and that scene is in the middle like this, and then you have to draw two tails. It's like arms with a W. Then at the end, the tail is now this side. Those are the positions: first, second, third. When you're starting the word, in the middle of the word, or anywhere close to the middle, and in the end of the word. Oh, sorry. 1 minute, I'll write that. Yeah, there. These are the formations. Now, sheen is also the same formation, except now it has 3 dots. And sheen sounds like sh. Like the sh in shower. Now, let's learn a new word. Shahar. Fishahr. Shahr means month. Now, Fishahr is one we learned. Like I remember reading that word in the Quran, our holy book. I remember reading Fishahr. Maybe plural form, I'm not sure, but Fishahr, sure. There's definitely the word month in there. I know the translation, and there is a word month in there. So Shahr means month. And let's learn a new thing today. Let's learn Fathatain, Kesratain, and Dhammatain. Yeah. Now Fathatain is like a Fatha. 1 minute, I'll write and give examples. Now, here we have all the Fathatains. 1 minute, I made a mistake. I have to write something there. Alright, I add this. It's not necessary because when we learn more in more like lessons, in more higher lessons, we will learn that we don't need this much. But now we'll just write it. Attain increases the amount of harakat. This only happens for Fathatain, Kesratain, and Dhammatain. Now, Dhammatain has many forms, unlike the other letters, unlike the other harakat. Then now, Fathatain has double Fatha. This makes the word sound sun. It makes the word un. The harakat makes the word un, in, and un. I'll show you these later. But now, sun, in, both. Now we will make the sound of this. Run. Now run. Now un, right, has many different forms. The forms are here. The first form is double as usual. The second form has a line on the dhamma, and the third form is a dhamma with an extra line. Just goes like that. Well, thank you for watching Arabic with us, and if you want, learn more Arabic with me. Lesson 4 is coming tomorrow, and we will learn the letters Sad and Dad. Bye.